Hey guys, I wanted to show you my 2021 planner. It is way simple. Now, this is my 6-month planner. I do a couple planners a year, and for the cover, again, just something simple, quick, and easy. I used one of these beautiful moon holographic stickers from Creative Freedom Paper. I'll link her in the description box below. The elephant is like my talisman from when I was in 2nd grade. That's a long story. I also found this very inspiring little, what do they call these things? Infographics. Make a list of things that make you happy. Make a list of things you do every day. Compare the list and adjust accordingly. That's kind of also going to be my mantra going into 2021. We've had a different 2020, so I don't know what 2021 is going to hold for all of us, but whatever it is, let's just try and be happy. Let's just be in the now, be in the spirit, be in the presence, and enjoy our day to day. That's kind of my thing for this year. I also, you guys, I did a big meditation on Monday, and as I was meditating, I made a list of my things that I want to keep in mind for 2020. I want to see magic. I want to search for treasure. I want to make peace a priority. I want to take time to exercise, meditate, practice stillness. I want to be open. I want to practice appreciation. I want to move. I want to uncomplicate. I want to simplify. I want to practice mindfulness. One-pointed attention. Observe, don't absorb. I want to work on my arrow prayers and also work on being detached. I think that is, that's really important, especially now, if you can just detach from the news, detach from the bad stuff, detach from, a lot of negative, sad energy that's in the world right now. I wanted to show you how I have set up my 2021 planner. Sorry, I had the hiccups. Okay, and I don't have any water up here. Okay, so this is going to be a very brief video. My reading list I've set up January, February, March, April, May, June. I think that is really fun to be able to do it like that. I've got a 6-month calendar that I'm putting right here. This is how things are looking for January. I am real fond of painting in my planner. I did a super messy painting, so I had to go back and hit this with some white acrylic because I just got messy, y'all. And if I get messy, it's no big whoop because that's kind of like the way I operate, Sometimes it gets messy, and that's just, hey, that's life. One of my friends made this really cool cluster for me. I am crazy about clusters, and I just love the colors, the fabrics, the textures. Everything about this is just something super wonderful to love. My stickers are from Creative Freedom Paper. This is her Dusty Teal planner pack. I wanted to let you guys in on her sale that Leanne is having at her shop. You can see that I finished January up. I've already started on February again. This is the I think she called this Cotton Candy, the Cotton Candy collection, with these pink stickers as well as these blue stickers. I just think that they're super cool. But before we get too far into this, let me just show you her new planner collection. I love this. Okay, so this is her journal and planner setup kit for 2021. You've got months, you've got days, you've got dates, and you've got the year. This is a digital printable set from Leanne. You can grab it. Let's see. She said it is available. It's on sale through December the 31st. So you need to go to her Creative Freedom Paper Etsy store and grab these babies because they won't be on sale very long. So let's see. She does a basic glitter, which I love, because I tell you this is basic glitter, but what I get from it is I get a sense of distress in the font, and and in the colors. I mean, it's just super, super cool. Okay, so we've got basic glitter months. And she does this, it's big, and then you get a small selection, January, February, March. And then you get basic glitter small months. This is the large. Now check out the whole journal setup kit. Because a lot of times Miss Leanne will chuck some extra things in the items that she sends me. So you check and make sure that that what is in her kit description in the store is the same thing here. Because like I said, she'll send you extras, and you'll be like, oh, it's always so much fun to get something from her. These are date numbers small. Love them, love them. The larger date numbers, and then you've got some really big date numbers. I really like these because I see that I can probably use these in just some mixed media, like when I'm making art trading cards or art trading coins, or just doing some index cards or whatever, because they're big and they're super visual, and I really, really, really do like them. And then her glitter 2021. I mean, look at that, y'all. So I'm going to take the 2021 right this second. And, didn't that just come at the exactly right time? And I'm going to put that on the front of my planner. I also visited Leanne's shop this morning, and she does have her Misfit sticker grab bag. Cannot recommend this enough. Oh my gosh. I purchased one, and it was like, what? It's a Misfit? No way, Jose, because I don't even know where she got Misfit from. They're really, really great stickers, wonderful colors, wonderful quality. Such a sweet store, you guys. Go visit Leanne over at Creative Freedom Papers. I will put her link in the description box below. You are supporting a small woman-owned business. She operates her company out of a tiny home. She is just an amazing person. We always pick up on a vibe, don't we? From the people that we choose to support, and she has just the best vibe. Just a wonderful, wonderful vibe. Okay, guys, go visit Leanne. I'm going to work a little bit on this 2021 planner today, and I will see you soon. Take care of yourselves. Remember that sale goes off December the 31st, y'all. Get your orders in. See you later. That sounded really southern. That's because I'm from the South. See you later. Bye.